Another twist in that Save the Bay's email saga today. Good evening, everyone. I'm Keishla Adderley, and welcome to the Bahamas Tonight. Topping the news, an environmental organization scoring a victory in the courts. Fern Carey tells us tonight who was impacted by a 95-page ruling and what the implications are moving forward.
Justice Indra Charles ruled that Marathon MP Jerome Fitzgerald breached the rights of Save the Bay's members when he disclosed their private emails in Parliament. The matter relates to the Peter Nygaard Louis Bacon Saga and the alleged plot by the environmental group to overthrow the Christie administration. Justice Charles noted, among other things, that the Constitution is the supreme law of the Bahamas and the court is guided by that. She then granted a permanent injunction against Mr. Fitzgerald, preventing him from releasing any information contained in private emails or confidential documents of Save the Bay's members. She also ordered that he destroy any file including the hard copies of Save the Bay's members, and that has to be done within 14 days. The Marathon MP also has to pay $150,000 in damages to Save the Bays. Fox Hill MP, the Honorable Fred Mitchell, was also sued by Save the Bays. However, Justice Charles said she did not find any evidence that he produced the original emails of Save the Bays members which breached the Constitution. Once the ruling was handed down, Crown Prosecutor Lauren Klein asked for a stay and the court agreed. This means none of the court's orders will be acted upon pending appeal. The judge also did not award costs in the case. We spoke to Mr. Fitzgerald, who had some concerns with the ruling.
There's something in there which refers to, I guess, me obtaining information illegally. And I've made the point from day one, I've never obtained any information illegally or by any illegal means. And so when I read the judgment, I will be looking to see how the judge came to that conclusion or what evidence was presented for her to come to that conclusion.
Now, the Crown has indicated that they will appeal. However, Smith says that is not a concern at all, as he is confident that the judgment will be upheld by the Court of Appeal.
It's the first time in the Bahamas that vindicatory damages have been awarded for $150,000. That's even higher than the Tamara Merson or Harvey Tynes case. And I think it's a recognition by the court of how important the right to privacy in the Bahamas is. And she was very clear that parliamentary privilege does not trump the supremacy of the Constitution or the rule of law or the courts.
The government also indicated in a statement released today that any finding that there was a breach of the constitutional rights of anyone in this matter is a decision which is wrong on the facts and the law. The statement further noted that while due respect must be given to the role of the courts to adjudicate fundamental rights, the privilege of parliamentarians to speak freely within Parliament is inviolate, and it is the intention of the government to seek to defend the law and to preserve the freedom of members of Parliament to speak freely in the Houses of Parliament. Fern Carey, 7 Network News.